Okay, so I have my reel set at 3.5. Then I'm going to slice it over here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use this rectangle to do some cropping. And there you have it. There is my little tiny square that I need. Okay, then I'm going to make my picture really small. Gonna make this a little bit of an angle, then put this over the picture, and then I'm going to slice. And there is my first picture for my reel. Okay, once I have all my pictures where I want it, I'm going to move this, highlight my pictures, and then go over to here and hit attach. And there you go. Now I got it. So I'm going to print 2 of these and 2 of these. And then I'm going to cut out 2 of these. I am going to print these on this transparency paper that goes in the printer, inkjet film. And then I'm going to cut these out on heavy cardstock. I am going to attach the 2 pictures to the cardstock, make a little sandwich out of it, and then I will put it in the viewfinder.